But the most common route for the multinational corporations investment is to buy up local companies and then to expand their productions. Multinational corporations with a huge wealth can quite easily do so. To take an examples, in India, Cargill is a multinational corporations, a very well-known American multinational corporations has bought over smaller Indian companies such as the Parak Foods. Parak Food had built a large marketing network in India, and Parak Foods Parak Food has a very large network. Parak Food had built a large marketing network in various parts of country where its brand was well reputed. All peoples are familiar with the Parak Food. Parak Food had four oil refinery whose control has now shifted to Cargill. Cargill is the multinational corporation based at USA. Cargill is now the largest producer of the edible soils in India with a capacity to make 5 million pouch per day. In factory, multinational corporations have wealth exceeding the entire budget of the developing country's government. With such enormous health, the multinational corporations uh, easily do so with their enormous, tremendous wealth. I am telling you the ways in which multinational corporations control their productions in other countries. The factors, first factors that multinational corporation control the productions in more than one country. First method is this that uh, they set up their company in um, poor countries where they can easily get laborers and skilled and non-skilled worker. Sometimes they make the partnership with the local companies. Multinational corporations set up productions jointly with some of the local companies. This make benefit to the local companies of such a joint production is of twofold. First, multinational corporations has provide the money to the local companies to run their business and to buy the new machines so that they can do the fast production. Second, local company might bring local companies when the multinational corporations bring latest technology with them. The local companies take benefit of these latest technology. The methods second method uh, second method is that multinational corporations control the productions. The second method, they using the local companies for supply. Large multinational corporation in developed countries They place order for the production with a small producer in different country. Garment, footwear, sports, such type of items are the example of the industries where production is carried out by a large number of small producers around the world. These products are supplied to the multinational corporations which can sell these under their own brand names to the consumers. Consumers buy these products on which the brand name of multinational corporation is written. Although these products are made by the local companies in different countries. In this way, the multinational corporations use the local companies for the purpose of supplies. The last pattern through which multinational corporations control the production in other countries. This is the this is the way that from their huge money they can buy the local companies. The most common route for the multinational corporations investment is to buy up local companies and then to expand productions. First of all, multinational corporations purchase the local companies which is ready to sell itself. Multinational corporations purchase them for the production for expanding their productions. Multinational corporations with their huge wealth can quite easily do so. If we take the example of the Cargill Food, this is a very large multinational corporations from USA. They had bought over smaller Indian companies like the Parak Food. Parak Food had built a large marketing network in various parts of the country where its brand name is uh, well reputed and Parak Food made a large network in India in different part of the country where brand name of Parak was well reputed. Today I tell you the how the multinational corporations set up their business, where multinational corporations set up their business. The second questions and points I tell you about the methods in which a multinational corporation control the productions in more than one country, through which I tell you the several factors, three factors I told you. First, partnership with local companies. Second, local companies were used and are used for the purpose of supply. And third route is this that multinational corporation buy the local companies in countries. In this, I have given the example of the Parak Food. That's so the students please learn these points and how the multinational corporations interlink their productions across the country. Thank you.